Tala Sanjay Ji ke liye, it's a great honor to have Sanjay Ji with us here today. And once again, Sanjay Ji, thank you so much for taking.
What a wonderful start to our Ram Yatra Dharma ki. Please give a big round of applause to Triyansh, to Divinity by Reva Ji, and SPRF. Thank you for bringing an incredible event to Bay Area. Thank you.
हे नाम वित्रियवदो रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पदये नमः आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्.
I am the councilman from the city of San Bruno, District 4, which happens to be the home of the South Pacific Relief Fund and the Sanatan Mandir Temple, two organizations that are really doing amazing work in our community and in Fiji for the underprivileged. So when I was asked,
सुनीता जी का आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और मैं सबसे ज़्यादा संजय जी का करना चाहती हूँ जिन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया। तो सब क्रेडिट इनको जाता है कि इतना अच्छी इनको शुरुआत जो इन्होंने करी, बहुत ही अच्छा। आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू संजय जी।
जय श्री राम। वेल क्या बोलूँ मैं, जो अभी मैंने यहाँ पे इतने जो शो देखा, ये जो खूबसूरत गाने देखे, और इनकी जो आवाज़ है, माय गॉड, आई बिलीव ही इज कंपोज्ड आल्सो, sang also. Well, it was outstanding. Absolutely, I was dumbstruck, and I'm so glad that I'm here. There's so much talent over here, and सबने कुछ ना कुछ किया है। एक मैं ही हूँ बाहर का, तो मुझे माफ कर दो भाई। जब ये बोल रहे थे कि इन्होंने ये किया है, ये राम है, ये सीता है, तो मैं जनता हूँ।
आपका सर अभी जाइएगा नहीं, क्योंकि इन्होंने अभी बहुत सरप्राइज देना है। संजय जी ने तो खास अभी पटारा खोलना है।
संजय जी हमारे फेवरेट राजा हैं।
थैंक यू। बस बस नहीं, टुडे आज रामायण का दिन है, तो वो रामायण का करते हैं, राजा का नहीं करते हैं। बट रियली इट्स बीन एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल. I've traveled all over the world. I've not seen anything as beautiful as this. So credit to the whole team, and I mean it from my heart. I'm not.
Oh, there he is. Put your hands together, please, for Devin Ji from South Pacific Relief Fund.
Thank you, Kunjan, on behalf of South Pacific Management, Board of Trustees, our sponsors, and Sanjay Kapoor Ji, our celebrity guest. Thank you very much on behalf of all of you. Without you, this event will have not been successful. So
And Devin Ji and the leadership team of South Pacific Relief Fund dedicated their time and service to this organization on voluntary basis, united by one purpose: to serve those in need. Please join in welcoming Mr. Devin Kumar, the president of South Pacific Relief Fund Inc. USA.
thank you, Kunjan, and once again, thank you, everyone. As you all know, we gathered here today to raise funds for the much needed, our underprivileged Fijians. They are in Fiji suffering from a very serious illness, which is dialysis.
दूरदर्शन पर रामायण देखी है या आज तक हमने सुनी है। We want to portray Lord Rama, हर तरीके से, जिस तरीके से भगवान ने अपनी चीज़ों से हम इंसान को इस कलयुग में सीख दी है, वो सब कुछ बताना और दिखाना चाहते हैं। एंड आई रियली होप जब आप लोग स्टेज पे, जब हमारा शो है अक्टूबर 25 को आएंगे, तो आप लोग ये महसूस कर सकेंगे कि रामायण खाली पढ़ने, समझने, देखने की चीज़ नहीं है, अपने जीवन में ढालने की भी गाथा है। सो इसी उम्मीद के साथ में उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग आएंगे और एंजॉय करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
और ख़ास तौर पे राम यात्रा के धर्म में जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो है शिखा एजुकेशन की तरफ से जो एक्ट हो रहा है। एंड माई स्पेशल
to be the brand ambassador of South Pacific Relief Fund. And now I want every one of you here to think about sometimes how we take basic healthcare for granted. Millions of people all across the world, individuals included, struggle to receive basic healthcare. And that is what we at SPRF are committed to change. We want to take action and transform compassion into reality. Our mission is rooted in providing dignity, healthcare, and services and hope to those who need it the most. Like Mr. Devenji said, that we help provide life-saving treatment for dialysis patients in Fiji. So far, we have raised over $1 million and helped save the lives of over 3,000 patients who would otherwise never have had access to basic healthcare. So now, I want you all to also join us in this mission and be a part of this very humane and very human cause. So please, when you get a moment tonight, go to www.sprf.org and come on board. Whether you choose to simply help us spread awareness, volunteer at our events, or make a donation or a contribution, every act of kindness matters, because come on, compassion of one person is never going to match the compassion of an entire community. So welcome to a joy and an uplifting experience that is only possible in the service of others. Tonight, I welcome you to a life of service. Thank you so much.
Once again, guys, South Pacific Relief Fund, every penny, every dollar that we raise is spent through this program. We don't charge anything. We pay for our own wages. If you go look at Red Cross, Blue Cross, any of these nonprofit organizations, the CEO makes $800,000, and I don't charge a penny. I donate every dollar, every time that we as a group, our nonprofit group, South Pacific Relief Fund members, Board of Trustees, everyone travels on their dime. They pay for their own hotel. So if you want to join us, it's not that easy, because you have to pay everything that you are going to support for this nonprofit. Today's bar was sponsored by...
I hope you people will continue to support me in the future so that I will be able to do my dialysis. If you people want to support me, it will be a great burden on my shoulder, and I won't be able to do my dialysis properly to keep myself alive. Thank you so much for your support.
So there are many stories just like this. I know you all here for a great event, a great gala with Sanjay Ji, but there are many of those stories we have. Minimum, they have to come up with over 4,000 Fijian dollars a month if they want to have a free dialysis, if they want to have a dialysis. That's where South Pacific Relief Fund comes in and supports many people just like this. Our youngest is 21 years old, that she goes through 3 dialysis. Her dad has an amputation leg, her mom is a blind. So she's the sole source of income in the family. She comes and does it 4 hours dialysis. She goes to school. Then she works at night at 5 different people's homes doing home cleaning. And then next morning she repeats the same thing. And after second day, she goes back to the dialysis chair. So guys, I don't want to take this opportunity. Please, if you can, we do have a raffle ticket, and our grand sponsor for that, for 2 round trip ticket anywhere on Turkish Airlines. We have a raffle ticket today. Very soon, someone will be coming, leaving a book of raffle tickets on your table. Just $5 a page. That will help us raise enough funds today that we can provide many more people like this with the dialysis care. So have a great evening, enjoy, and we have a eventful tonight. Such a beautiful...
आज खुशी का दिन है ये, दिल ये गुनगुनाए, राम आए, राम आए, घर आंगन जगमगाए।
Fashion show with live singing. The of Bay Area. She is Z Bengali 2001 Saregama winner, playback singer. Put your hands together for Moonmita Ghosh and the Bollywood fashion show. Put your hands together. I promise you, आप ज़्यादा बचा नहीं है. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Thank you.
हादसों के इस शहर में आज कोई आएगा, खोल देगा राज या फिर राज बन जाएगा. रात की आगोश में राज रहने दीजिए. आजिएगा कल खुलासा आज रहने दीजिए. Everyone.
सवेरे भी दिन ना दुकाने वाला कि मेरी बाहों में हाथ जो गुजरे वो उम्र भर जैसी है दिल जोगीरा हर बन मौला हर बन मौला
रंगीन है साए फिर भी है तन्हाई हल्के उजालों में हल्के अंधेरों में एक राज है क्यों हो गया है कि क्या हो गया है कि वो नाराज है रात इतना